Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Keedex number K-BXMOR-SGT4874. This is a weldable gate box for a Sargent small case mortise deadbolt is what this is for. Sargent has mortise deadbolts in both the full-size Government 86 sort of prep and also the small case style, and this is the box for that case. The cylinder hole or thumb turn hole or cylinder or cylinder and blank, whatever you're doing, is in the exact proper location for a small format, not small format, the small case. Let's give you some idea of the dimensions. Overall height of the box, 4 7/8. Overall depth of the box, 4 1/2. Overall thickness, 1 3/4. Now, let's take a template. Let's take a look at, well, let's first of all confirm the dimensions that Keedex is giving us. The back set for this case is 2 3/4. From the top of the case down to the center line is 2 inch, and then the bottom should be 2 7/8. We flip that over. Yeah, I'd say that'd be accurate. The diameter of that hole, of course, is 1 1/4, typical for a the prep for a mortise cylinder or mortise thumb turn, whatever you're doing. This is manufactured of 14 gauge steel. This is not primed. And this is ready to be welded into your door, your gate, your ornamental ironwork, your cyclone fence, whatever is whatever you have that is you're adding this lock to. This would be a great time-saving item. Keedex manufactures locksmithing tools, armored door loops, and weldable gate boxes, although many other things. Those are the three things that I think of when I think of Keedex. And when it comes to weldable gate boxes, if you have to add a lock, especially in my experience, one a bit less common than a small case, any small case mortise deadbolt, you're going to want to purchase this item because for the cost of the item versus the amount of time it's going to take to manufacture one, it is simply not worth the time. This is easily manufactured by them. You can basically see what they're doing. They've got a plate out here, and they've got this strap here. They take those two pans. They are going to add the small little tabs after they've punched a couple of slots, tack weld them in, and this box is done. This is ready to go. They'll throw some welds on to keep it, well, to complete the manufacturing process. Weighs 1.3 pounds, so rather substantial. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, which is helpful, manufacturer's page within our site, because what you can do from there is open up the entire gate box catalog, and you'll look at only the Keedex weldable gate boxes. You might say, well, I've got a Sargent 10-line grade 1 cylindrical lock. Okay, there you go. You'll be able to find that gate box just for this, or more commonly, just typical slam-style deadbolts by other manufacturers. You know, you might be adding a grade 1 whatever to a door, electronic combination, a mechanical combination. So that catalog is incredibly helpful because it's going to get you just those part numbers as they relate. You'll also take note that they don't only manufacture gate boxes in cold rolled steel, but stainless and aluminum as well. There are applications where it has to be stainless, or there are applications where it has to be aluminum. Specialty sorts of applications might very likely require aluminum. There is, in that catalog, a column for the lock manufacturer part number. Then once you know the lock manufacturer number, let's say you're doing a Caba Simplex 1000. Okay, well that's easy. You search the catalog for that and you'll find that that's a K-BXSIM. It's available in steel, aluminum, and stainless. Also on the link to the manufacturer's page is all of the Keedex products that we sell. That's number 2. Number 3, a link to the full line Keedex catalog where you can review locksmithing tools and security hardware. armored door loops for transferring power from a wall to a door, or a wall to a frame, a door to a frame, things of that nature, a wall to a header, or an automatic operator. Then finally, a link to the manufacturer's website. If you have any questions on the Keedex, K-BXMOR-SGT4874 weldable gate box for a Sargent small case mortise deadbolt or any other Keedex product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.